for good.
Congratulations! Unite for Good!
Oh, very good. Thank you very much and looking forward for a very fantastic and banner year and for keeping Rotary Club of Tanay alive.
Welcome to the grand 31st induction and 30th handover ceremonies of the Rotary Club of Tanay.
See me running full speed at it, shattering collide, calling post-traumatic.
Sa totoo lang, magkahalong kaba at tuwa ang nararamdaman ko ngayong gabi. Kaba dahil hindi po talaga ako sanay magsalita sa harap ng maraming tao. Tuwa dahil sa kabila ng traffic at long weekend, pinili ninyo akong samahan para makibahagi sa napaka-espesyal na araw na ito.
Tiny fractures.
Ang gusto ko lang masasabi sa atin ay maraming salamat. Maraming salamat for your support. Pag wala ako, sila yung nagdadagdag ng aking mga pagkukulang.
This is me.
Maraming salamat sa inyong tapat na paglilingkod sa nakaraang Rotary Year. You have built a strong foundation for this club to continue growing.
Cut me down. I'm gonna send a flood, gonna drown 'em out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come.
Ngayong gabi, hindi lang po ako tumatanggap ng posisyon. Tinatanggap ko rin ang hamon ng responsibilidad na maging isang leader sa hanay ng kapwa ko leader din sa iba't ibang sangay at larangan. This is my covenant to you all, to serve faithfully, to uphold the values of Rotary, and to guide our club with both vision and integrity. So help me God.
This is me. When the sharp swords wanna cut me down, I'm gonna send a flood.
At ngayong ikaw ang mamumuno, nasa iyo ang pagkakataon na ipasa ang parehong inspirasyon at tiwala na minsan ay ipinagkaloob sa iyo.
Congratulations once again, President Ram. Your leadership, dedication to service, and commitment to Rotary's values makes you an outstanding choice for this important role.
Not scared to be seen. I make no apologies. This is me.
Salamat kong muli, Gov. Gina, dahil sa gabing ito ay naging tulay ang aking induction upang mapagsama ko after 40 years sa isang hapagkainan ang aking nanay at tatay.
Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright.
A few moments later.
And I don't really care cause I've still got another fight left in me.
Ang gaang po sa pakiramdam na makasama kayo ngayong gabi. Ang kasaysayan ng inyong club ay tunay na nakaka-inspire. At noong September 17, 1994, 13 individual for 13 Saturdays, nagkita-kita sila, nagplano at naglatag ng pundasyon. At mula noon, ipinanganak ang Rotary Club of Tanay.
Happy 30th Rotary Club of Tanay!
Salamat sa inyong lahat for attending our 30th anniversary.
This is me. Whenever the wine's gone, whenever the wine's gone.
Maraming salamat po sa tiwala, sa suporta at sa pagmamahal. Mabuhay ang Rotary Club of Tanay. Mabuhay ang District 3800. At mabuhay tayong lahat na naglilingkod ng may puso at layunin. Adjourn.
This is me.
This is brave, this is bruised, this is who I'm meant to be, this is me.